Today I will be making bands out of 14 karat yellow, white, and rose gold. To follow along, the materials you will need are: I cut each piece of stock to the length that is needed for a ring size of 6 3/4. After heating, I will allow the metal to cool slightly before quenching it in the pickle. I will direct my flame around the band. Once the solder flows, I will remove my flame and pickle it. It is now time to form the bands on the ring mandrel. I will use my rubber mallet to round them. All gold, regardless of the color, and carat can be cleaned up in the same way. It is now time to polish the bands. I will use a 2-step polishing compound that is made for gold. Working with gold can be intimidating because of the high cost, but with the right steps in place, creating jewelry out of gold can be easy and enjoyable.